Hello children, welcome to class 4 Social Studies. The story of the past and evidences in history chapter 1. Our syllabus is already over. I am giving you some extra questions now. Okay, all of you understood these things and all of you are doing this in copy? Yes, good. Then today we will discuss some question answer, brief question answer. Okay, answer the question in brief from the book. I have written some small question answer from the book and that I am giving you. Okay, look, answer the following questions in brief. What is history? That we already learned in the definition. Distinguish between we already learned. And what is history? If this is coming 1 mark or 2 mark, you have to write in one sentence. History is a study of past. What is history? History is a study of past. Then what is next? What are the 3 divisions of Indian history? What are the 3 divisions of Indian history? When we learned about the Indian history, we have already learned that there are 3 divisions in Indian history. They are the ancient India, medieval India and modern India. So what is the answer? Which are the 3 divisions of Indian history? Ancient India, medieval India and modern India. Okay? Yes. Then what is next? Name the civilization of India. Civilization also we learned. What is civilization? Cultured life. Name the civilization. First settlement. First settlement life of the people. So what is the name of first civilization of our country India? Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and it is in ancient India we learned. And this when we learn about ancient India, first we will learn the Indus Valley civilization. And this Indus Valley civilization is otherwise known as Harappan civilization. What is the other? And that question is also there is a possibility to come. Okay, and what is the another name of Indus Valley civilization? Indus Valley civilization is otherwise called Harappan civilization. Why this civilization is called Indus Valley civilization? Can you say? When I teach in the class, I have discussed it. Okay, the civilization of India is known as Indus Valley civilization because it started or it emerged on the banks of the river Indus. And it is known as the Harappan civilization because this civilization, the main city discovered by the archaeologist is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Harappa was the first city discovered from this civilization. So this civilization is known as Harappan civilization. Okay. So our question is, name the civilization of India. What is the answer? Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. The next question. Name the famous sites of Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. This civilization's famous sites. Which are the famous sites? Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were the 2 important cities of this civilization. Okay. The next question. In which period of Indian history the Sultanate Empire started? In which period of Indian history the Sultanate Empire started? In which period? The medieval period. In the medieval period. In the medieval period, in the beginning of the medieval period, the Sultanate Empire started. Which are the other main empires or dynasties emerged in this period, medieval period, that we have already learned in the question answer, no? What was the other empires? The Rajput kingdom, the Chola Empire, the Great Marathas, the Sultanate Empire, okay, the Mughal Empire. All these are the different empires started during this period. So which is the first empire started in the medieval period? The Sultanate Empire. Okay. Then next, name the European trader who came to India at first. So many Europeans, Portuguese, French, British, so many people came to our country. Then who first came to our country from Europe? Vasco da Gama. Who? Vasco da Gama. He came to Calicut in Kerala, in India. Okay. Then, next question. Who started Satyagraha movement in India? Who started Satyagraha movement in India? Who started Satyagraha movement in India? Mahatma Gandhi. And who is Mahatma Gandhi? Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is our father of the nation. Okay. And this Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders fought against the Britishers. That is why we got our freedom. Okay. And the main leader of the modern India was Mahatma Gandhi. And he started which movement? Satyagraha movement. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi. The next question. Name some examples of archaeological source. Which are the examples of archaeological source? Monuments, inscriptions, artifacts and coins are the examples of archaeological source. Okay. Monuments, inscriptions, artifacts and coins are the examples of archaeological sources. Then next question. What are monuments? Name any 3 Indian monuments. What are monuments? Name any 3 Indian monuments. Answer. Monuments are buildings of historical importance. What are monuments? Monuments are buildings of historical importance. Then write the names of any 3 Indian monuments. Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, anything you can write. Okay. Rashtrapati Bhavan, all these are the Indian monuments. Then next question. Name the famous emperor of Maurya dynasty. Which is the famous emperor of Maurya dynasty? Emperor Ashoka. Okay, when we learn about inscriptions, a large number of inscriptions have been excavated by the archaeologists from the Maurya dynasty. Emperor Ashoka's Maurya dynasty that we have already learned now. So Emperor Ashoka the Great was a famous emperor of Maurya dynasty. Okay. So this 10 question answer you have to do in copy and learn. Then tomorrow next I will take. Okay, next type of question answer. Okay, bye.